guys, in this tutorial we will discuss how we can create PayPal Sandbox token. So in that case we need to log in PayPal Sandbox account first. So how we can do that? Here is the process. Just go to Google and search PayPal Sandbox. Okay, so you can see the URL is developer.paypal.com. just click on here. Okay, so once you click, now you will redirect it to PayPal developer website. Just log in. Okay, so I'm just going to log in. This is our email ID. Okay, and go to the next. The password, just log in. Okay, once put the password, click on login button. Now you are redirected to PayPal developer dashboard account, where you can see something like this. Okay, so just click on my app and credential. You can see two options over there. One is Sandbox and another one is for live. This is for live mode and this is for testing as a Sandbox. So just scroll down, you can see generate Sandbox access token. Just click on here. Okay, so once you click, you can see the credential details. You have to select your Sandbox account which you have already created from PayPal developer website. So just I'm going to select this one. Okay, and now generate credential. Okay, it's loading, and it's creating a PayPal Sandbox token. So here you go, you can see the following details. Credential Sandbox account is, this is our Sandbox account URL, I mean the email, and this is for access token, and the expiry date it's 1 December 2013. So there are multiple currencies we can accept, like Australian dollar. Okay, so as of now I'm just selecting Australian dollar. Okay, and you can choose as per your need whatever you would like to add. Okay, and I am going to select United States. It's a default actually, so this is for now Australian dollar. Okay, and I'm just going to add currencies. You can see its currencies Australian dollar was successfully added. So like this way we can easily generate Sandbox account access token, and we can use these for our development purposes on our website. That's it. Thank you.